Doesn't really matter. Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. We're nice to have a look at this Worcester Bosch today. They're kind of heating our hot water. In this video, we're gonna hopefully diagnose it and repair it. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
That code is something blocked or a vent or fan or flue, some sort of.
Much. Got the wires connected to the fan. Unfortunately, the fan is gone on this.
The fan's gone.
Yeah. Roll them. You don't do these things.
What we don't.
These clips. Stop doing them. Right, thank you for that. I got my fan here. Served by Zaf. Right guys, back here again. Got myself a new fan. Okay. And it's gonna go there. So what we're gonna do is I've taken the clip off, switch the power off, and I'm just going to test the fan out. So I'm gonna switch it off first and then clip it in and just check it if this fan okay before then opening it all up and then finding out it's not. I diagnosed it incorrectly, which I don't think I have, but just in case I have, or this new fan's faulty, so I'm just gonna test it out before I put it in. So I've clipped it in. This new one is not inside, so I'm just gonna make sure it's working. So that's fine. Switch it back off, and then we're gonna put it in there. All right. Right, got this out. Right, to get it out, you're supposed to put a screwdriver in there. Put a screwdriver inside there, and just yank it, and then it clips out. Okay. So that's it. Now I'm just going to change the washers on it. Put new washers on the new one. Right then, got that. Goes inside here. There, and I'm just gonna then anti-clockwise, and it'll click in. Right, guys. So nicely secured in. Okay, just gonna put the gas connector in. Clip that in. That's in. I'm just gonna clip that in. Right. Okay, that's it. Now I'm just going to put the earth and should have done that before, innit? Oh, where is she? There they are. And the earth clip is here. That's there. Okay, and that's it. Right, done all my checks on it now, and I'm ready to fire it up. So far so good. It hasn't gone into C7 yet. Right guys, done all my checks on that inside. I'm just going to put the power on and we're going to test it out. Right, I can hear the fan running now. It's going through the process. Hopefully, because the central heating demand on, and should fire up in a minute. And that's it. And the boiler's fired up. So I'm going to put the cover back on. Once the cover is back on, and then I'll test the hot water tap, which I presume is working fine. Okay.
Oh, got a bit, some blue lights.
Okay, that's good.
I'll leave it a bit longer.
A bit late now, isn't it? I'm already done. Yeah, I'll look for that. No need to panic. We got it. We got it. Okay, that's what to do. Right guys, central heating is okay. Now we're going to test the hot water tap. Okay. That's great. Right, so it's freezing here. Temperature slowly going up. It's going around the house. Hot water is, and then probably come back to this tap. Ooh, it's freezing. I can't even keep on. Temperature still going up, which is a great sign. Yeah, I can feel the warmth now. It's going through now. Yep, that's great. You've got hot water. Oh, that's special. So we got hot water now.
A very good job. Really happy working again.
Okay, thank you so much. Guys, I just repaired the boiler. It was a simple, it wasn't really simple, but I've done it so many times, so I know how to diagnose it now. Anyway, the fan was faulty on it. We sorted it out. It was giving me a code, I can't remember what it was, C7, and it wouldn't fire up, nothing, no hot water, nothing. So I checked the voltage on the leads going to the fan. There was no power, there was power going to it, but the fan wasn't running, so the fan was faulty on it. I've got a new fan, changed it, and it's all working fine. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.